Hibernate caching is a mechanism that stores frequently accessed data in memory to reduce the number of database queries and improve application performance. Hibernate provides multiple levels of caching to optimize data retrieval. Hibernate first level cache is the mandatory session scope cache that's enabled by default and cannot be turned off. It acts as an identity map, ensuring that repeated loads of the same entity by ID within a session return the same in-memory instance and avoid extra SQL queries. The cache is cleared when the session is closed and can be partially cleared via evict or fully via clear, and it is not shared across sessions. It's great for reducing redundant queries within a single unit of work, but it doesn't provide reuse across transactions like the second level cache does. Hibernate second level cache is shared session factories-wide cache that stores entity state and collection contents to reduce database round trips across sessions. You enable it by configuring a cache provider, for example cache, caffeine, Infinispan, etc., and annotating entities collections with any appropriate concurrency strategy, such as read-only, non-strict read-write, and transactional. It works alongside the optional query cache, which stores query results identifiers and uses the second level cache to hydrate entities. Use it for frequently read, rarely updated data, size and expire regions thoughtfully, and monitor hit-miss statistics to validate performance gains and consistency. There isn't any official third-level cache in Hibernate. However, people often use the term to refer to the query cache. The query cache stores the IDs and scalar results for a specific HQL criteria query, plus its parameters, and then relies on the second-level cache to hydrate entity state. It must be explicitly enabled and marked per query. Works best for stable, frequently repeated queries with limited parameter variability, and can suffer from invalidation overhead if the underlying tables change often. Use it selectively, measure hit-miss ratios, and remember it won't help unless the entities involved are also effectively cached in the second level cache. Now let's talk briefly how to monitor cache in your application. Hibernate cache statistics let you observe how effectively the first level, implicitly via SQL count reductions, second level and query caches are being used by tracking hits, misses and puts per region and for queries. When enabled, you can monitor metrics like second level cache, hit-miss put counts, query cache, hit-miss put counts, natural ID, cache stats, and entity collection load update counts to gauge real savings in database round trips. A healthy cache shows a rising hit count with a stable or declining miss rate for the region you intended to cache. If misses dominate, reconsider what you cache. Region sizes, TTLs, or access patterns. That's gonna be all in this video. See you in the next one.